Hey guys, Coach Castle here with another do-it-yourself video. This is a heavily requested one since a lot of people don't like to buy the monkey foot as it's $60 or $70. Here's a do-it-yourself monkey foot costing you nothing as long as you have a belt and access to a dumbbell. Now how to do this is very simple. It will literally take about 30 seconds, but I'll go slow. Watch carefully. Take your belt, turn it into a U. Make sure when you do this, it's facing upwards, okay? Once you have this, extend the top about another 5 inches. So it looks like this. Put it on the ground. Put the weight you're gonna be using on top of it. In this case, it's just 15 pounds, but I've done this with up to 60. Far too much for most of you. Foot goes inside the loop. Pull it tight. Once it's been pulled tight, stand up the edges of the belt so that they're straight, horizontal. Pull it towards you, backwards towards the ankle. Once you're there, all you're going to do is cinch the belt nice and tight. Once it's nice and tight, just tuck in the loop. This one's a little long, so I'll tuck it in here too. There. And then you have a monkey foot. Now, let me show you how to actually use this. And by the way, yes, it's very secure. It's not going anywhere.